What's going on, guys? Today's 60-second tech tip is going to be to make sure that you appreciate the little things that come along with our job. Sometimes there's a lot of dirty things that we have to do and nasty places we go, but occasionally you go to ones like this with amazing views. So sometimes it's the little things that you need to sit back and appreciate. We're up on the 18th floor, rooftop of the 18th floor, of course. We got one hell of a view. It's pretty windy up here, so hopefully you can hear me. But again, just take a minute or two to appreciate the things around you. Sometimes it's the little things that matter. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.